Double barrel wood chipper. Sounds impossible, right? But at Mebel's Engineering Solutions, we don't just build machines. We build ideas that others never imagined. Machines that make the impossible possible. Introducing the double barrel wood chipper, a machine where chop cutter and wood chipper work together in one powerful system. One side shreds coconut leaves and farm waste, the other side crushes thick branches and hardwood. Two powerful machines combined into one smart solution. This is not just a machine, this is innovation built for modern farming. Mebel's Engineering Solutions, engineering machines others never thought possible.